The seer experiences his material conditioning in the form of dissatisfaction with the limitations that matter imposes. So, the soul or the seer, he feels dissatisfied with the material nature, the body. There's always so many difficulties and problems with the body that we're stuck in, and with the world which we're stuck in. Because this material world is always changing. The whole environment is changing seasons. They say change is the only constant. Interesting phrase. Change is the only constant. And the body itself is changing around me. I'm watching my body change, and outside of my body I'm watching the seasons change, the environment change. Trees are cut down, cities are built, nature is destroyed, parking lots are created, teeth fall out, ears don't work. So this causes dissatisfaction to the soul, dissatisfaction. But there is an environment, but then that makes us inquire, is there an environment that doesn't change? Is there a body that doesn't change? An unchanging environment, an unchanging body, an unchanging external and unchanging internal. So the soul now is surrounded by the material body, which is always changing. But then there's the spiritual body, which the soul has also. And when the individual is in his own individual spiritual body, he'll see that his body never changes. Navayovanam, eternally useful. Nitya Navayovanam. And the environment that that we placed in, Vaikuntha or Brajadam, will be unchanging. The trees will always be there. They'll never cut down the trees to make a parking lot, or make a flyover, or make a skyscraper. The peacocks will always be there. They won't become extinct species of life. Save the whales. Save the peacocks of Vrindavan. They're going extinct. Parrots will always be there. Peacocks will always be there. Krishna will always be there. So it's a Nitya Dham, eternal Dham.